Hey, Royal Family, how is everyone doing? It's Tuesday. I know you guys. I need to take voice lessons, but I wanted to come on real quick and show you guys something that we're going to be doing, trying out new recipes, and let's just see what we will be able to do. I want to thank all of my new subscribers, all of my Ride or Die subscribers. Thank you guys so much. But this is just a quick review. I have you guys looking at the paper towel holder because I'm going to show you what Mrs. O bought. And we're going to play with this joker. We're going to try to cook almost everything in it. You guys ready? All right, now I'm finna turn it. Here I go. All right, you guys. I bought the Ninja. Why do I want to say a food processor? I bought a brand new Ninja air fryer. Oh my God, you guys. I am so excited because we're going to cook some holiday meals in this thing. I know you're like, seriously? Oh yeah. We're going to even bake a cake in here. Oh yeah. Miss O going to show you how to get it done. But let me just show you. This is the Ninja air fryer. I'm not good with specs and all of that stuff. I just know I got it off of Amazon, and I want to say it's a 4-point something. I'll look at the box and everything, and I'll post it in the description box below. But let me show you the basket real quick. Okay, this is the basket, and what I did today, I had some chicken sausage, and most chicken sausage, the texture is kind of soft to me. But I was trying to, get away from pork. So I bought some chicken sausage. And when I put it in this air fryer for about, I want to say 10 minutes, that skin was so crispy. Oh my God. And it was so tender on the inside. So I was really excited about that. Because, it had a firm snap texture. And here are the little gadgets. You see, it's a air fry, reheat, dehydrate, and roast. So I've only used it once, and that was today. But tomorrow, you guys, I am going to do stuffed mushroom pork chops with a cranberry glaze. Yes, in my Ninja air fryer. And also, I bought these with it. I want you to see this. I feel like the easier the clean, the better. So you just put these on the inside and put your food in it, like I did the sausage, and all I had to do was discard this. Now this is 100 pieces, and I think this was $9.99 because I bought it all together. And then you guys, they gave me they didn't give me, I bought it, an air fryer cookbook. And the mushroom stuffed pork chops, that recipe is in here. I'm going to cook it, but it didn't say anything about the cranberry glaze. This just, this is Mrs. O touch that I'm going to do. Let me hold it down some so you guys can see it. You see that? Let me show you some of these recipes that are pretty freaking cool. You see chili cheese balls, cheese sticks with Thai sauce. And let me show you this dessert back here. Oh, they got so many desserts. They got beef, they got chicken, they got seafood, fish, tilapia. All right, let me show you the okay, this is cauliflower tots. Goat cheese, vegetable and goat cheese. Now some of this is a little, I won't be using, but all right. I'm trying to get to the dessert. This is the index. All right, I think it's back here. Okay, me and this phone. Now, I think I will try the plantain fritters because I love plantains. And this is, you see the chocolate souffle, tropical pineapple fritters. You see the air fried donuts. Now, you know we're going to give that a try, right? And look over here. Peach almond flour cake, dark rum, pear pie, and yummy moon pie. Oh yeah, we're gonna be cooking out of this book. So it's definitely gonna be trial and error, but I'm going to bring you guys along with me so we can do this together. So remember, tomorrow, stay tuned. I will be doing the mushroom stuffed pork chops with a cranberry glaze in this Ninja air fryer. All right, you guys, have a blessed night. Stay safe, sleep well, and meet me here tomorrow because we finna get the cooking in this Ninja. God bless you guys.